So here in this box, I have a Divoom Ditoo Plus Retro Pixel Art Portable Speaker. It comes wrapped up in this bubble wrap. Ooh, it looks really nice. 10 watts of audio power, an online gallery where you can probably download stuff, internet radio, social media notifications, a 3000 milliamp battery. Comes in this little like refrigerator looking container. This handle is actually made out of rubber. You can see it's really flexible. Here's a little pink booklet, the timeline of the company. Ditoo is their best seller, Pixel Max, and a sling bag with a pixel art animation on the bag itself. Here's a warranty thank you card. Carrying bag. Looks like, yeah, perfect fit. There's a button here that doesn't actually do anything. Oh, actually it does. You just have to push really hard. Ooh, look at that. The Retro Pixel Art Portable Speaker. This is a funny design. And this is just a peel off screen showing you an example of the pixel art. Five volts, 2 amp input, micro SD slot, USB Type-C port, USB cable, and user manual under the box. Whoa. So we get a very nice braided and branded Divoom USB cable. 2 pixel style sticker sheets. Nice to meet you. What's included? How to connect the speaker, how to record and set up the alarm, play from the micro SD card. So it's literally only just a few pages. Just contains a lot of languages. Hold the on and off button. Whoa, that was cool. So this is, whoa, this screen looks very nice. Like, wow, those are really sharp lit pixels, and like the black area, you can't see anything behind it. I was not expecting that. That looked cool. The keyboard keys are lit up. I'm excited to see what this can do. You can press the M button here. You enter the menu. If you hold the M key, it turns on and off the backlit keyboard. You can hear that very satisfying click. Plus key increases the volume, and the minus key decreases. If you hold the minus key, then the brightness goes down, going up and down. That is very cool. You can change the screen. Wow. Beep, boop, boop, boop. Devo. Whoa, look at that funky dance party. If you hold the light key, is that supposed to be Michael Jackson? Ow! Yo, this is wicked. I just want to stare at this demo screen all day. This is really cool, guys. So by pressing the key, you can change to different light animations, and then you can hold the key to switch between different colors, and styles. So this is a different style clock, a square round style clock. Oh, there we go. This is a nice way to test all of the pixels. If you hold the arrow keys, you can switch between the different light styles. Whoa, look at that. I just feel like that's the sound effect. Whoa, I like that one. Oh, this one's cool. So you can pull this lever downwards to trigger a button, and this allows you to play, pause, answer, or end phone calls. You can hold it to activate a voice memo recording. So I held it down, and now I guess it's recording a voice memo. Blah 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 blah. So I held it down, and now I guess it's recording a voice memo. Blah 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 blah. Well, that was funny. So it just played back my voice recording. Oh my. Press the button once to see a battery indicator, different programming modes, and then you can hit the left and right keys to switch between different menus. Lever here, it's almost like the enter key, connecting through Bluetooth or connecting through the SD card on the side. It can only play MP3 files. In this SD card, it registered the card showing the title of the song. That is really loud. You use the lever to start and stop the music. Hit left and right keys to switch between the songs. So you could have folder structures set up in the SD card. The top here is the speaker, and I must say it actually sounds pretty nice. speaker is extremely good. It sounds really nice to me for just being this single little thing. And like, I only need to put the volume halfway and I'm like, this is loud enough. So this thing gets pretty loud. And it's really easy to just start and stop playing music using this little lever here. Definitely 2 thumbs up. So this looks like a little like coloring little mini game. Choose to color in a bunch of sections, different colors. It's a stopwatch. Hello, decibel meter, countdown timer. 3, 2, 1. This is actually just a scoreboard. So you can just keep score between Team Blue and Team Red. Set the alarm clock time. And then the last menu is a little game menu. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different games here. Let's see what they are. Random dice generator. What's this? Oh, we have an 8-ball. Oh, it gives us a heart now. Ooh. What's this? Oh, we have a little block game here now. I especially like these little sound effects they added. Oh yeah, combo. This is gonna take a while. I think this is some really dinky pixelated version of Flappy Bird. You just keep hitting the lever to jump. Oh my god. Yes, that is definitely what this is. Oh, and in here we have Snake. The good old classic Snake. Eating the little peas. Oh, no way. Is this some sort of like racing game? Well, what the? This is some crazy like version of Tetris? This looks like a slot machine. Yay, I won! Come on, big bucks. Big bucks, big bucks. 0. Come on, big bucks, no whammies. Let's go. Zero. So first things first, go into the App Store and search for Divoom. Divoom Pixel Art Community app. First, connect to your Ditoo Plus through your Bluetooth. The Ditoo Plus is not appearing. Hold the light button for 15 seconds. Just keep holding it till you see it fully shut off. It means you have reset the device. Turn it back on. Just hit M to go to music settings. With the lever, turn on the Bluetooth. And now you'll see the Ditoo Plus audio connected. Then you can now go open up the app. You're going to have to register a user account. It's very easy. Just put in a name, email, and password. And once you're logged in, you'll see the nice pixel art community. Click on the top left to add your Ditoo Plus device. You'll see in a moment why you need to add the device twice. So now Bluetooth's connected. So now if you were to go back to your Bluetooth settings, you can see 2 connections, one for audio and one for light. You will have connection issues with the sound or the screen if you don't have both connection types connected. You can see there are a lot of options here, from design to animation, text. You can color different pixels, and there's even more in the corner here. There's like a DJ mixer pixel editor. So you can make and draw your own picture. So you could draw different frames, and the frames will go and animate through a whole bunch of fan-made community animations that people post online. And then you could simply just select one, and then you can see here it gets transferred over. You could even search for tags, like if I put in Pokemon, you can see a whole bunch of Pokemon ones pop up. This animation, you can see it pop up there. You can favorite it. You can even download it and save it into your phone, and you can see the animation playing as a GIF. You can send it into its internal memory, so your Ditoo can continue playing the animation even if it's not connected to your phone anymore. And what's cool is at the bottom you can go to channel and switch between all the different channel types of your device. Like right now I'm on clock mode, so you can see all the different clocks. Change to lighting mode, you can make any color you want. Great way to test the screen. Cloud channel, it's actually a hot channel, which says they will push and show you the top designs of the month, downloading all of the top favorites for the month. So you can just do this once a month and automatically get a fresh new set of animations. If you were to be playing music, you can actually have like a bar visualizer, so the bars will bounce up and down as music plays. This is my most favorite. You have up to 3 custom animation channels. First Pokeball one I found went into the first channel. So you can set up 12 different animations into 3 different channels, the animations to cycle through. So now here I can add a second one. So say like this cat. You can add a Kirby face. And once you have a custom set of animations, you can upload it to the device and it will send it into the device's memory. So now you can see the device will cycle through all of the different animations in order. And you can click on the 3 lines on the top and change the duration of how many seconds you want it to play before switching to the next animation, as well as what channel to show once the device is started up. A message system where you can send messages to other people's devices and receive it. This is why I said make sure you're also connected with the Bluetooth audio. Otherwise, in this section, the music will just play out of your phone speakers and it won't connect and play out of the Ditoo speakers. But if you're connected, then you can actually browse free internet radio stations, music that's locally on your cell phone, or you can go to TF card. You can see all of the music that you put on the card and just easily select through them. Now, the phone volume doesn't automatically adjust the Ditoo volume. You either have to do it manually on here, or you have to use the touch bar. So I think this is a very great app. There are many things you can do. There's even some weird like DJ mixing, adding in your own loops and making a song. I have no idea what I'm doing, so it kind of sounds bad right now. But you can see it also animates depending on all the different things you add and do. You can even enter text and have it play running across the screen. Hello! Divoom made a very well done mini little device here. It has a lot of different features and a lot of fun can be had. Countless number of hours just browsing or making your own animations. And you can find an almost never ending amount of ways to play with it. So this is definitely a fun, great little product. I give it 2 big thumbs up, and I find this would definitely make a great little gift to almost anyone you know. You can play your own music, show all of the pictures and animations you like yourself. You could even make your own music or make your own animations. It is totally customizable to show and do whatever you like. Divoom even has different colors to choose for your Ditoo Plus. You can even use these mechanical keys like a little fidget toy. And that's pretty much it. That's all the features that this little guy, the Divoom Ditoo Plus Pixel Art Portable Speaker, has for you. It's a very unique take on a little portable speaker device. I really like this thing. The build quality, the plastic, it is very high quality. It is like the same quality Apple uses. The Pixel LED screen is extremely beautiful. It just looks gorgeous. The blacks are like completely black and the lights are very bright. It pops out at you. It's like pretty surreal when you see it in person. An 11 out of 10. Like, I have not seen anything like this and I love it. I just absolutely love this Pixel screen. Especially with this pixelated animations, you'll definitely get people asking you what this little thing is. I especially love the extra added feature of the micro SD card. You can just very easily switch between SD card and Bluetooth settings. So I am just like genuinely amazed with the variety here. This is a very fun device to have. If you would like to check out more info in the description, I will have a link to their website. I also have a discount code you can use, Unbox Burrito. This product has a lot of good reviews. I do not think you will be disappointed. Once you have this in person, it is honestly really cute and just really fun. So if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like. And once again, thanks for watching.